So what were the origins of slavery in early America? Well, the fact is the English were not so much innovating when they created plantation colonies. More than anything else, they were catching up. Anyone looking at the situation in the early 17th century could see that slave labor was crucial to the establishment of successful colonies. This had been the precedent in Brazil, in the Spanish mainland colonies of Peru and Mexico, and also in the very early Caribbean. So the English were trying to solve a problem that others had tried to solve, which was how to find enough coercible labor to produce a crop that could generate a profit. The problem for the English was that they didn't have access to a regular supply of African laborers, and so they tried others. They tried Native American laborers. They tried their own indentured servants, who they were unwilling to enslave, but who they were willing to coerce. But by the middle of the 17th century, the dwindling supplies of indentured servants and increasing recognition that African slave labor could be especially productive, they pushed hard into the Atlantic slave trade, establishing joint stock company, the Royal Africa Company, to introduce it, and establishing a whole system of laws and codes that authorized the enslavement of Africans in the Americas. So it's important to understand the origins of slavery are not accidental or incidental or inevitable, but instead were a deliberate effort by English colonists to build a productive regime that in some respects modeled what other colonists had accomplished before them.